In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a review in Judge.me. Whether you're new to using Judge.me or simply need a refresher, we'll walk through the steps together to ensure everything is crystal clear and easy to follow. Let's get started by making sure we're set up correctly. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Shopify. Accessing Shopify is essential because Judge.me is typically integrated within Shopify stores. If you're already logged into your Shopify account, you're one step ahead. Otherwise, take a moment to enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you'll want to head over to the Judge.me admin panel. This is where you'll be spending most of your time today. In the Judge.me admin, look for the Settings menu. Under this menu, you'll find an option labeled Request Reviews. Click on that option, and it brings you to a variety of settings relating to how you can manage reviews. Now, focus your attention on the section that says Send Manual Requests. Here, you'll see a button labeled Single Request. Clicking this button allows you to manually add new review requests. Make sure you have all the necessary information at hand before you proceed. You're going to need the customer's name, their email address, details of the product they purchased, and the order fulfillment date. Once you've filled out all this information, you'll be ready to finalize this part by hitting the Schedule Request button. Now, let's talk about an alternative approach within Judge.me, especially if you have multiple reviews to add at once. Stay in the Judge.me admin and navigate back to the settings. This time, select Import Reviews. Once there, you'll see an option to import from a spreadsheet. Clicking this opens up a pathway for importing multiple reviews simultaneously. Click that button and have your spreadsheet file ready. Make sure this file contains all relevant data, which will need to be imported as either product or store reviews, depending on what suits your needs. Here comes a crucial bit: the matching of columns. Once your file is uploaded, Judge.me provides a wizard to help match the columns in your file to their corresponding review fields. This step is vital to ensure that all your data ends up in the right place. After matching the columns, hit the Import button to initiate the process. Judge.me will take it from here, and your reviews will be added accordingly. And there you have it. 2 straightforward ways to manually add reviews within Judge.me. Whether you're scheduling single requests or importing en masse, these steps will help streamline your review process. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful.